I'm Tim Roble, and welcome to another episode of Adventure Athlete. Today we're working on my King of the Hammers Can-Am build, and as you can see, I got the cage cut off of it. I did that utilizing a Sawzall and a 6-inch cutting disc on a 4.5-inch grinder, and you can see I still have cleanup to do on this. But wanted to let you guys know, if you're a builder and you maybe don't have the parts, I will be offering the cage tabs here that go, we'll call them cage plates, that go on top right here, that picks up the factory holes so you can do a bolt-on. I will have another version that I'm going to use that will be slightly smaller, so you can put a nice bead around it and then do rosette welds up through the bolt holes, and that'll take away a little bit of weight and still leave a lot of strength. But the way Can-Am put this car together is really neat. They've made it really easy for aftermarket companies to come in and build a nice bolt-on cage for this. For myself, I'm going to make this cage, and why I'm building the cage is to increase visibility and safety on the car. So we'll see how that all works out. Why I'm thinking about it, I am going to start offering CNC parts for this car. So next thing, I'll do the cage plates, and then I'll offer, these will be very, very affordable. I don't know price point yet, but I'll be cutting out this the spare tire holder. I'll have two different versions. One will have the factory lugs welded in place, and the other one will just have the holes. So you can do that if you want to weld it in or go from there. But this is just a real simple, nice tire carrier that works well. You already have your impact out while you're doing a change. It takes literally like 5 seconds to get this tire off. So pretty neat. Once again, I'm very impressed with the Can-Am product. They've done a great job on putting this car together. It's like a real tube chassis. Some of the things that they've done, I don't really understand. Like, I would have done this up here as a node and tied this into this instead of just this blank area, but there must have been a reason for doing something that way. Once again, over here, I would have tied that in symmetrical, but they must have done that for some other reason. One of the other projects I'm working on is a door hold open device. This is going to be very, very affordable brackets and a very affordable kit, so stay tuned on that. And I am working on two different versions of this dual shear front shock tower. It's going to come down in X. You can see that Can-Am's done a great job of putting nutserts in and making it set up to bolt in. So I'll offer two different versions on that also, a bolt-on and a weld-on. We'll see how it goes. That's kind of set up really nice, two bolt-on, and I think that would be one of those things where a bolt-on part would work real well. See, I got the dash ready to go. I got to pull the harness off on the bottom, but you can see we're going to have a lot more visibility because all of this area in here is going to be flat. And that'll really give you a nice view from the driver's seat down, and you can look out and see your front tire, keep everything slick and tucked in. So that's going to be it for now. I probably have upwards of 20 more videos coming up on this car build and us out testing with the 35s and seeing how the thing works and lives in the rocks. I have two big trips planned to going out to the Hammers and doing some testing, and then a couple at Cougar Buttes. We are going to forego and not go to Terra del Sol this weekend. I just don't want to rush through it. I want to enjoy this project, and I want to put as much thought into building this cage. I don't want to have to redo something later, but we'll put something in like that. So if you like this type of thing, fabrication and off-road adventures, please hit like and subscribe. I'm Tim Roble, and I'll catch you here next time.